I am Dr. T. Srilata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingil Government Degree College for Women, Vaddapelli, Varangal. So today we discuss about Polysiphonia rhodophyceae algae. So Polysiphonia belongs to rhodophyceae algae. So common name is red algae. So it is look like red in color. They are found in sea water. So the algae, complete algae look red in color. So underground sea look like in red in color because of present of Polysiphonia algae. So coming to the systematic position of Polysiphonia, class Rhodophyceae, order Ceramiales, family Rhodomeliaceae, genus Polysiphonia. So they are found in sea water and so we can see the diagram red algae. So here the thallus, it is filamentaceous branched thallus. So the thallus belongs to filamentaceous branched thallus. So there are two type of branches, prostrate system and erected system. So prostrate system and erected system. So prostrate system, prostrate branched thallus forms rhizoids. So the rhizoids absorb the water and minerals and it gives to the thallus. So the second branch is erected branches. So coming to the cell structure. So here the prostrate, we can see the second diagram, prostrate system and erected system. So prostrate system produces rhizoids and erected branches produces two type of branches, sterile and fertile branches. Fertile branches is called trichoblast. Coming to the single cell. So here the cells are arranged one by one and the middle of the cells are called axial cells, and the axial cells were covered by the pericentral cells. So here middle of the cells are called axial cell and the pericentral cells are covered to the axial cell. So here two type of branches are there. One is short branches, so limited growth branches and unlimited growth branches. So limited growth branches are called trichoblast. So here the trichoblast produces male and female sex organs. So the trichoblast produces male and female sex organs. So next one is long unlimited growth branches. So they did not participate in the reproduction. So these are all called sterile branches. So the branch erected branches again divided into two types, short branches and long branches are limited growth branch or unlimited growth branch. So limited growth branches are called trichoblast. So the trichoblast produces male and female sex organs. So the limited growth branches are also called um, fertile branches. So they participates in the sexual reproduction. So long branches, unlimited growth branches. So the branches are did not participate in the reproduction. So they don't have reproductive parts. So that branch is called sterile branch. So they participate in only photosynthesis. So coming to the cell structure, so we can see the one single cell. So the cell wall is made up by chitin, pectin and cellulose, and cytoplasm contains nucleus and discoid chloroplast So the pyrinetes are also present in the discoid chloroplasts, and pigments also present in the chloroplast. So here phycoerythrin, so phycoerythrin present in the phycoerythrin present in the very phycoerythrin complete occupy the pigments, complete occupy the cytoplasm. So the phycoerythrin gives to the algae in red in color, used to algae to red in color. So the algae, the Polysiphonia algae belongs, common name is red algae. Pyrinetes, so here pyrinetes are absent here. So next research reserved food. The reserved food is Floridian starch. So I tell you once again the cell structure. So the cell wall is made up by chitin, the cell wall is made up by pectin and cellulose, and outer cell wall is made up by pectin, and inner cell wall is made up by cellulose, and in the cytoplasm one nucleus present in the cytoplasm, and discoid chloroplast present in the cytoplasm, and pigments are chlorophyll A, and pigments fucoerythrin are present in the chloroplast, and fucoerythrin presents red color, used to red color to the algae. So the common name of the Polysiphonia is red algae, and here the pyrinetes are absent here. Next reserved food material is Floridian starch. Coming to the reproduction. So reproduction takes place by two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So here three type of thallus we can see the Polysiphonia. So first one is gametophyte. Second one is gametophyte. So here gametophyte, again two types of there: male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Male gametophyte and female gametophyte, and third one is tetrasporophyte. So third one is tetrasporophyte. So here three type of thallus we can see in the Polysiphonia. a male gametophyte and female gametophyte and tetraspore. So here the carposporophyte. So here the male gametophyte and female gametophyte. The male gametophyte produces male gametes and female gametophyte produces female gamete, and male gamete and female gamete fusions with each other and they forms zygote, and the zygote they produces carposporangia, and the carposporangia produces carpospores. So here the carpospore it is one diploid plant. So coming to the gametophyte. So gametophyte. So here gametophyte divided into two types. One is male gametophyte and another one is female gametophyte. So coming to the male gametophyte. So the male gametophyte, the thallus produces only male sex organs only. So the female gametophyte produces female sex organs only. So the male gametophyte produces male sex organs. So here at the time of sexual reproduction, middle of the cell is called axil cell, and the axil cell was covered by the pericentral cell. So the axil cell was covered by the two pericentral cells. So here at the time of sexual reproduction, so here the pericentral cells are change into spermatangium mother cells. So here middle of the cells are called axil cell, and the pericentral cells are covered to the axil cell, and the pericentral cells are outer cells. Middle of the cells are called axil cell and outer cells are called pericentral cells. So the pericentral cells are covered to the axil cell both side, outside, right side and left side. So the pericentral cells are covered to the both side of the both side to the axil cell. So the pericentral cell at the time of sexual reproduction, so the pericentral cells are change into spermatangium mother cells. So here the spermatangium mother cell, it is in diploid stage. So they undergoes to meiosis division. So they undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 haploid cells. So 4 haploid cells. So each haploid cell change into spermatangium. So each cell change into spermatangium, and each spermatangium produces one spermatia, that is nothing but androspore, that is nothing but male gamete. So here the spermatangium mother cell undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 haploid cells. Each cell develops as a spermatangium, and each spermatangium produces one spermatia. So spermatia nothing but male gamete, nothing but androspore. So this spermatia in round shape structure, and it they did not have any flagella. So the spermatia, the androspores are enter into the male gametes are enter into the water with the help of the water force or air force. So they move to one place to another. The male gametes are move to female sex organ with the help of water force or air force. So coming to the female gametophyte. So here the female gametophyte, the female sex organ is called carpogonium. So carpogonium, the female gametophyte produces carpogonium. So at the time of sexual reproduction, so one cell is changed into carpogonium mother cell, and the carpogonium mother cell divided into sometimes, and they forms one flask shape structure. So the flask shaped structure. So here the neck part is called trichogon. The neck part is called trichogon, and base swallow part, the base of the part is base of the part is called in the below of the carpogonium. So coming to the fertilization. So here the male gametophyte produces male gametes, and female here so the egg cell present in the carpogonium. So the male gametes produces male gametophyte produces male gametes, and female gamete produces carpogonium, and the carpogonium having egg cell. So the male gametes are enter into the carpogonium, and one male gamete fusions with the one female gamete, and they forms one zygote. So the zygote is in diploid stage. So they are divided into so many times. So they divided into so many times. So here the zygote undergoes to here 2 cells to 2 to 4, 4 to 8 here. The zygote undergoes to mitotic division, and undergoes to mitosis division, and it is divided into 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, etc., and they forms one cystocarp. So here carposporophyte, that is called cystocarp also. So this is one flower vase shaped structure, and this is called cystocarp. So here, so I tell you once again, the zygote undergoes to here undergoes to mitosis division, and they divided into 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 4 up to the cells divided into up to formation of cystocarp. So up to formation of cystocarp. So the cystocarp, we can see the first diagram. So the cystocarp, that is flower vase structure, and middle of the club shape structure, we can see the clear diagram, that is called carposporangium. Carposporangium, and outer layer is called pericarp. The outer layer is called pericarp, and middle of the club shape structure is called carposporangium. So the carposporangium produces carpospores. So here the carposporangium. So we can see the diagram. So the carposporangium produces carpospores. So the carpospores, complete formation of carpospores. So the carpospores are in diploid stage. So why? Because the zygote undergoes to mitosis division. So that stage is not changed. So the carpospores are in a diploid stage. So here the carpospores, the outer layer, the pericarp, the outer layer of the pericarp ruptures, and the carposporan spores, the carpospores are enter into the water, and they forms one new diploid thallus. So the new diploid thallus participates in the asexual reproduction. So here the diploid thallus participates in the asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction. So carpospore germination and produces new diploid plants. So that plants are called tetrasporophytes. So that's tetrasporophytes are participates in the asexual reproduction. So at the time of asexual reproduction, and one middle of the cell change into middle of this cell change into tetrasporangium mother cell. So this tetrasporangium mother cell undergoes to meiosis division. So here it is in diploid stage. So the diploid plant produces diploid cells. So it is in diploid stage. So the diploid cell undergoes to meiosis division here. So we can see the clear picture here, second diagram. So first cell, and the cell change into divided into, they undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 haploid cells. So they divided into 4 haploid cells. So the 4 haploid spores are separated from the thallus, and they enter into the water, and they produces 4 plants, 2 female gametophytes and 2 male gametophytes. So here the tetrasporophyte produces 4 plants, 4 haploid plants, that is 2 male gametophytes and 2 female gametophytes. So this is the life cycle of the Polysiphonia. Diploid phase. Coming to the life cycle, I tell you once again. I tell you once again the reproduction of the Polysiphonia. So here the three thallus are, we can see the three type of thallus, that is female gametophyte and male gametophyte and tetrasporophyte. So male gametophyte produces male sex organs, and female gametophyte produces female sex organ, and male gametophyte produces male gametes, and female gametophyte produces egg cell. So here the middle of the cell is called axial cell, and the axial cell was covered by the pericentral cells. So here at the time of sexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, the spermatangium, the pericentral cells are changed into spermatangium mother cells. So the spermatangium mother cells undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 haploid cells. So that 4 haploid cells are changed into spermatangium. So spermatangium, and this is 4 spermatangium produces one single spermatia, that is nothing but male gamete, and complete formation of spermatia, they separated from the thallus and they enter into the water, and they moves to the female sex organ with the help of air force and water force. So next one is female sex organ. So that is female gametophyte produces female sex organ, and that is flask shaped structure, and it has one egg cell, and it has one long neck part that is called trichogon, and the spermatia enter into the trichogon, and the male gamete fusions with the female gamete, and they forms one zygote. The zygote is in diploid stage, so they did not undergoes to meiosis division. So here they undergoes to mitosis division. So they undergoes to the zygote is undergoes to mitosis division. So it is divided into 2 cells, 2 to 4, 4 to 8 cells, up to formation of cystocarp. So here this is the first picture, we can see the clear picture, red in color. So here the flower was shape structure, that is called cystocarp, and cystocarp forming carposporangia. So carposporangium, so the middle of the parts are called carposporangium, and outer layer is called pericarp, and that carposporangium produces carpospores. The carposporangium produces carpospores. So complete formation of carpospores, the outer layer ruptures, the pericarp ruptures, and the carpospores are enter into the water, and they produces diploid plant. They produces diploid thallus, that is called tetraspore. Tetraspore, the diploid thallus is called tetraspore. So this tetraspore, the diploid thallus, the diploid plant participates in the asexual reproduction. So now coming to the asexual reproduction. So the tetraspore, the pericentral So here the cells are divided into undergoes to meiosis division. So here the cells are undergoes to meiosis division, and each cell divided into 4 haploid spores. So 4 haploid spores, and each spore complete formation of these haploid spores. So the tetraspore separated from the each other, and they separated from the thallus, and they enter into the water, and they forms two female gametes and two male gametes. So here we can see the clear picture here. This is the second diagram. We can see the single cell undergoes to meiosis division, and a round shape diagram. We can see the haploid spores, post fertilization changes. So here haploid phase, only here haploid phase represented by the male and female gametophytes, and diploid phase carposporophyte and tetrasporophyte. So here carposporophyte and carposporophyte means cystocarp. So the cystocarp is it in diploid stage, and tetrasporophyte also in diploid stage, and male gametophyte and female gametophytes are in haploid stage. So diploid stage, so the male gamete produces the male gametophyte produces male gamete, and female gametophyte produces female gamete, fusions with each other, and they forms one zygote, and the zygote produces cystocarp, carposporophyte, and carpospores are produces diploid thallus. So here the diploid thallus participates in the asexual reproduction. So and they forms two haploid thallus and two male gametophytes and two female gametophytes. So this is also alternate generations. So the Polysiphonia life cycles diploid alternate generations. Polysiphonia life cycle belongs to diploid alternate generations. Thank you.